This collaboration is with the one and only Tiffany Lemos. Let me tell you what I love about this girl's video. It's extremely clean, and I'm drawn. Oh my god, the door is opening. And I'm drawn to really clean, crisp looks, and she has it. Her looks are clean. Her Instagram photos are priceless. She's also a cheerleader, so oh my gosh, like I know a real life cheerleader. So yeah, Tiffany Lemos, my girl, my bubble, my little honey drop. Thank you so much for doing this collaboration with me. I absolutely adore her YouTube channel. Go ahead and check her out, and let's just jump right into this tutorial. But before we do that, on my lips I'm wearing Lime Crime's Cosmo Pop, and if you guys know, well, you probably don't know, but this is hands down one of this and the Great Pink Planet by Lime Crime is hands down my favorite. But I only have 3 though. I probably need to get some more, but I really love Lime Crime lipsticks. And for my little glitter gold, I'm wearing NYX's Crystal Liner in LCL 101, and to line my lips I'm wearing Miss College 208 lip liner, and it's just this color. It's sold only in Kuwait, so you can only get it if you're in Kuwait. And that's it basically for this look. Oh, my blush is 42 Rich Sorbet, and this is by Jordana. And yeah, everything else, yeah, I guess that's it. I guess I'll talk to you guys in my next video. As for now, enjoy this video.
As it was in the days of Noah, so shall it be. You must think say I move with this. Whenever you're dead, you can't come back. Stay the thing, say God upon the crucifix. Maybe I that make you pass up God. So you give the devil control, and you have a controller. I play with the soul like say a Mortal Kombat. We talk till we weak, but some now go believe so the Lord shall come back. If you don't listen what the Bible have to say, you are gonna see another side of God, my friend. Everybody knows that the Lord is coming. For the righteous and with the reward him coming, but with the righteous wrath him coming. For the ungodly, wait and see. Right now you laugh, it's funny. You're gonna do the opposite of laughing, sonny. Every opportunity for unity with God is gone. You lost it, sonny, because there's no repentance in the grave. You're gonna meet God's vengeance face to face. Why accept a life sentence in a hell when abundant life is present? And that's Christ's intention. Can't say I didn't mention. You must think say I move with this. Whenever you did, you can't come back. Stay the thing, say God upon the crucifix. Maybe I don't make you pass up God, so you give the devil control. With a controller, you play with your soul like say a Mortal Kombat. Me talk till me weak, but some now go believe so the Lord shall come back. Nowadays it's the same as nowadays. Everybody disobeyed till the showers came and flood out the evil. Some plead Jesus blood over people, so them won't disregard and miss the ark. Make Christ your aim, don't miss the mark. Can't get help from the History Channel. God help back the mystery from them. So if you wanna know what we're talking about, you gotta go to the horse's mouth. Basic instructions before leaving earth. Whether or not you believe it, you're not always gonna be in this world. And after you leave, there will not be a part 2. A heaven or hell you are gonna pass through. You must think say I move with this. Whenever you did, you can't come back. Stay the thing, say God upon the crucifix. Maybe I that make you pass up God, so you give the devil control. With a controller, you play with your soul like say a Mortal Kombat. We talk till me weak, but some now go believe so the Lord shall come back. You must think say I move with this. Whenever you did, you can't come back. Don't think say God upon the crucifix. Maybe I that make you pass up God, so you give the devil control. With a controller, you play with your soul like say a Mortal Kombat. We talk till me weak, but some now go believe so the Lord shall come back. It's more to the R, there's more to your boy than a flow with a cardless mic. Sometimes I'm holding a card in front of a crowd, but it's only a part. Hey, some non-Christian in a club or some convention, I go get a serious conviction and turn Christian. Somebody, I go get saved tonight, and them I go make it right. Sure as Thursday morning, fall after Wednesday night. Somebody I go run to the altar and get them lifestyle altered, and give them life to the Alpha and Omega. Remember, so you hear me say it. Somebody I go get an invitation, take a seat in the congregation, take a key, listen to the conversation, and decide say them done with Satan and all of the so-called benefits and advantages that come with Satan. Walk with God and stop run with Satan. Come prepared because complication are gonna come against you. But if you want good, then you know it's gonna run and it's gonna pay off when some over a come. Plus, when time God ready, movements of you make, new trends of you set, new friends of you make. And after you cleanse and repent, you realize you get up happiness, but not from chilling inside dirty Fridays or some club on a Saturday night. Somebody now go a quad tonight, them no one fi burn up like sodomite. Somebody I go get saved tonight, and them I go make it right. Sure as Thursday morning, fall after Wednesday night. Somebody I go run to the altar and get them lifestyle altered, and give them life to the Alpha and Omega. When God ready, movements of your occur. He must fulfill every prophetic word. Unsaved people are dropping a church, and strange things start up in the church. When they're looking at the views and see a bag of youth full up of tattoos, full up of the goodness of God. Them might look sinister to you, but the spirit of move and the minister through them, view them. You know the word like biblical students, pop off the word like Nicholas school them. Grow in a spiritual prudence, God call them to significant uses. So them I go get saved tonight, and them I go make it right. Sure as Thursday morning, fall after Wednesday night. Somebody I go run to the altar and get them lifestyle altered, and give them life to the Alpha and Omega. Remember, I know guess me, I guess this is something would be confidently a bit. God I go deliver some lesbian, them I go say Lucifer, you can't catch me again. Don't surprise if you catch CNN. I say Al Qaeda convert, one will leap a backsliders confirm. As far as I am concerned, somebody I go get saved tonight, and them I go make it right. Sure as Thursday morning, fall after Wednesday night. Somebody I go run to the altar and get them lifestyle altered, and give them life to the Alpha and Omega. Remember, them I go get saved tonight, and them I go make it right. Sure as Thursday morning, fall after Wednesday night. Somebody I go run to the altar and get them lifestyle altered, and give them life to the Alpha and Omega. Remember, get saved tonight, and them I go make it right. Sure as Thursday morning, fall after Wednesday night. Somebody I go run to the altar and get them lifestyle altered, and give them life to the Alpha and Omega. Somebody I go make it right. Sure as Thursday morning, fall after Wednesday night. Somebody I go run to the altar and get them lifestyle altered, and give them life to the Alpha and Omega. Remember.